Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my channel. Today's video you're going to watch here in a minute is pictures that have been sent in by friends of East Grand Woodsman channel all across the country, some from around the world. So enjoy today's video. This is the end of 2024. It's been a very busy year here at East Grand Woodsman, and this is the end of year video with just many things that have gone on here over the last 12 months, as well as the friends of East Grand. It's amazing how many people are out there hunting and fishing and doing all kinds of stuff that just mind boggle the heck out of me. So we've got mountain lions today, we've got big cats, we've got elk, we've got, oh my goodness, what a vast array of things that you guys are doing out there. So let's get going. I want to share this with you guys, and I'll see you on the other end. Well, there you go. What a year we all have had. If you have watched this video to the end, lots of great things happened here at the East Grand Woodsman channel with me, myself, my family, and the grandkids, but with all those pictures of other people's activities. And I'm sure I missed a lot of pictures that were emailed to me over the year. But I tried to go back and find as many as I could. So to all of you that shared a photo with me this past year, thank you very much. And I hope you enjoyed seeing your photos in this small video. And great thank you to everyone that participates in this channel. So we're going to move on with this year. I got high hopes for the upcoming year, 2025. And here we go again. We're in December, so time to start out with next year's adventures. And I've got lots of adventures planned, so now I'll see how it all unpacks over the next 12 months. So I'll see you in the next video, and have a great day. Throw me a bone on your way out of here. Subscribe to the channel. That definitely helps us. So I will see you next week.